I'm Steve Dubanevich, owner of Accent Kitchens in Virginia Beach. We've been in business for 30 years and we have 3 locations. Accent Kitchens business caters to homeowners who wish to remodel their kitchen, builders who need cabinets for new construction, and professional remodelers. I ended up in the kitchen cabinet business after being a vice president of a solar energy company. I went to work for a national manufacturer of cabinets and then decided to get more down to the grassroots level and start my own business. And I was actually the first person in my company to know about 2020, how to use it, and I subsequently taught others within the company. The biggest challenges we have in the kitchen bath business is condensing the sales cycle. The customer comes in not knowing what they're going to get involved in, what's the process, how much is it going to cost, will this fit, what about this color, what about this material for a countertop. We need to continually condense that process. Before we had 2020, all the kitchen drawings had to be done by hand. We hardly ever did a perspective, perhaps it was just an elevation. Customers were somewhat confused as to exactly what their kitchen was going to look like. Customer wanted to think about it. Then you'd call them back in a couple days and want to think about it a little bit more. You really couldn't get to the bottom of what the issue was, and quite frankly, they didn't know what the issue was. They just didn't understand how beautiful the kitchen was going to look. When 2020 came along, it just settled the whole thing. When a designer does the overall kitchen design, the 2020 program makes it very easy just to click on the word price and you have a price instantly. When they want to change the door style, you go back into the system, you click again, there's another price. So it smooths out the sales process by making information readily available. We don't have to get back with you in a couple days, we can do it right now. The 2020 design system is really set up to follow the way a kitchen or bath designer would think. It just kind of flows naturally. So it's real easy for them to just pick up all the nuances of the system. If you hire somebody that's new to the kitchen business and they have a sales background, then it's very easy to get them started because you can use another designer to help ease them into the design process and to back them up while they go out and close sales. You know, it's important to me with the whole 2020 program in that the manufacturers themselves are part of the catalog development. It's not just a computer company putting together a catalog, putting it in front of a manufacturer and making do. Because the manufacturers are involved, they've got a vested interest in that the final result of how their product is ordered, how it's priced, that it all comes out accurately. With an accurate design program that shows you all the details, you keep the customer's expectations in line, show them how it will look in the end, so when the job is done, everybody's happy. You know, in the kitchen design business, 2020 is the universal language, and I encourage anybody to invest in good software, because you can't do it without it.